Okay, guys. Look, he's going around and around in circles again. So I want to do the birdie dance, the birdie thing. So how do you do bird challenge? Is that it?
Yeah.
The bird.
Bird trend.
Twilight.
It's bird trend.
Bird trend. Okay, here we go. I love it. All right, here we go. Twilight. So this is it, all right? All right, come on, let's do it. You gotta move your head like that, okay? Y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna do it here. All right, and so I'm gonna get down here. Come on, Darren. All three of y'all. Okay.
How do you do it without?
I can't do it without sugar.
Okay, it's gonna use the sound. I'm doing this right? Hey, get back. Here, place. Come on, Darren.
I think it's like this, guys.
Y'all ready? Jack. Down. All right, sit. All right, we ready? Okay, we're gonna use the sound. All right.
I don't look like a bird.
Can I put it this way, maybe? All right, and I'm gonna do it like this. I'm finally get a chance to do it, all three of you. All right, we ready? Jack,
Jack, move.
down.
Move.
Okay, here.